Let's talk about something genuinely frustrating, trying to actually use outdoor power. I wasn't expecting it, but after a week wrestling with a flimsy, standard extension cord, I realized how crucial a robust outdoor solution is. I'm not affiliated with any brand, just a genuine tester trying to save you the hassle. The problem? My old extension cord felt like it was going to snap every time I moved it, even on a calm day. It was constantly snagging on branches, and the plastic casing was already starting to crack. I was spending more time fighting with the cord than actually powering my tools. The Skrizcable 16/3 25 feet outdoor extension cord is a completely different beast. The build quality is seriously impressive. It's built with 3 strands of copper, wrapped in thick insulation, and has a tough vinyl jacket that feels incredibly durable. They've even tested it for extreme temperatures and abrasion. The price point is around $35, which is more than I'd normally spend, but honestly, the peace of mind is worth it. The one minor thing I noticed is that the connectors, while robust, could benefit from a slightly more substantial locking mechanism. I felt like I needed to apply a bit more pressure to fully secure them, which is a small concern but worth mentioning. Imagine this. It's Saturday morning, you're finally tackling that overgrown patch in your backyard, the sun's beating down, and you're running an electric trimmer. You need to power it up, but the extension cord is constantly twisting and pulling, threatening to disconnect. The Skrizcable cord feels solid, dependable, and completely unconcerned with the elements. It's a reassuring feeling, knowing it's going to withstand the wind, the rain, and the occasional accidental brush with a rogue branch. This isn't about some hyped-up, revolutionary product. It's about practical, reliable outdoor power. It's about not having to worry about your tools dying mid-project. It's about the simple satisfaction of knowing your equipment is safe and secure. I've used it for extending power to a small outdoor workshop, running lights, and even powering up a small chainsaw. The flexibility and weather resistance are truly exceptional. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.